Hello everyone, this is my house, air conditioner and fan. This is my Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Limited and remote control guys. And this is my LG smart inverter air conditioners right here and remote AC remote control. This is okay. This working and this is my Changhong AC Changhong air conditioner. It is remote. This remote is like is LG remote control. LG knob off. It's a Changhong like here. Sorry. Này, Changhong. Let's check it out. This is Panasonic. And remote. Remote control. This is my shop applications. So the fan. Oh, so just to defend this Miyako 3-in-1 standing fan and remote. This is a Cosmos 16S and standing fan. This is just not it's no blocking. Okay. This is media air cooler. This remote air cooler. This channel is no blocking. It's ever broken. Let's check it. It is upstairs. Let's check it out. This is Miyako standing fans right here. This that's the maker's fan right here. This is the remote fans. This right here. Let's check it out. This is a Sanken double fan, standing fan right here. This is actually the hell is my fans. Sorry, the fans is Sanken is double fans. Okay, alright. So today and the review of this my house acquisition and fans. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.